I want to first thank Brian and I mean, coming to this event, I was, I know I have a very unique product, but how do I get it out there so people can understand it and appreciate it and want to own a piece of it? But my ideas were all over the place, and I'm thinking, if I could just create one single funnel, I'll be done. And then it was Ann that says, once you create the funnel, it's not done because you have to continue to fine tune it. And that was the first knock on the head for me. And then having talked with Brian to kind of narrow it down a little bit to help me focus on the research I need to do to reach my most the target market that most likely would want to buy my product. And Ann just I think in 20 minutes just kind of lay out my funnel for me. So I have a lot of work to do, but I'm excited because I know I have a game plan when I go home to get started. Thank you.